Will is a janitor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. One day, while cleaning the corridor, he noticed a complex math problem written on the board. It was written by the local university professor named George. He promised anyone could solve this problem will be recorded as the top genius for the semester. After seeing the problem, Will can't stop thinking about it all day. Solving this would allow human to live on Mars and able to grow potatoes there. That evening, at the bar, he even leave his friend and rush back home to spend a night solving the problem. At home, instead of using a board, he used the bathroom mirror to conveniently erase the wrong answer. After sometimes he succeed. Over the weekend, he arrived at work and write the correct solution on the board. Professor George couldn't believe that his student has solved the problem so quick. During the lecture, Professor George announced that someone has already solved the problem. Everyone was curious who the genius is, but no one answered. Professor George has put an even more complex problem that has not been solved for more than 2 years. In the evening, Will once again saw the problem on the board. This time, he started solving the problem directly on the board and tried to finish quickly before anyone could notice. At that moment, Professor George has walked out of his office thinking Will tried to destroy other people's work and chasing after Will. But Will quickly disappeared from the corridor. The professor returned to the board and realized that it is the correct answer had been written again. Professor George then found Will, asking him to join his class with full scholarship. Will agreed and started to follow Professor George everywhere. Under Professor George's guidance, a math genius has born.